2013 Nissan Juke AC compressor replacement. Okay, maybe it's not a good idea to put the video after you took off the compressor, but here's the reason. I was trying to make sure that I already found the easiest way. So in order to take off the hoses, high pressure and low pressure, which is here in this area, you won't be able to do that from the top, neither the bottom. I believe what I found is take the cover, that, or fog light out. You can access from that hole. Let me put the light. Sorry for the less light. So if you put it here, right here, you can access from that with the extension, and you can take both hoses out. After that, disconnect the connection, and it has got three, both right here, here, and there, which is number 13, socket number 13. Take them off. But here's the point. I was not able to take it out from here. That was not enough room. I tried to twist the compressor, but still it won't come off. So go ahead and loosen the bolt for the cross member, front, left and right side, and it's gonna drop down the cross member a little bit, and it's gonna give you enough room to take the AC compressor out. That's it. And I was not able to find any video in the YouTube. That's the reason that I put that video in my channel. Hope you guys enjoy that. Hope you guys can, use this video. And I'm gonna put the brand new AC compressor, start vacuum it out and refill it. 2013 Nissan Juke, and the engine is turbo 1.4, I believe. Yes. Okay, that's it. Good luck.